Good morning. I had 3 requests for normal old waffles for breakfast this morning. By normal old, they mean just regular old waffles. Go quick around. Whee! Okay.
We forgot one more.
Oh, we forgot that one. Boop. There we go.
Okay, I have my fork.
Can you write Manly?
Manny
Mac.
There.
Is that what it says?
I'm spelling it wrong.
Oh, you spelled it wrong.
I'm spelling A's.
This afternoon, y'all, we're making another pie. I've been having hints thrown at me for a lemon meringue pie, and I just happened to have, what did I do with it? What did I do with that pie crust? I was walking around with the pie crust in my hand. Did somebody hide it? Y'all, I just went and got that pie crust. Where did I put it? Did I? I just happened to have one pie crust left from the big pumpkin pie day that we did last week. What did I do with that pie crust? I just had it. Like, I just went and got it out of that other refrigerator. Did I put it in the microwave? No. I lost this pie crust. This is crazy. Did I leave it in there? I opened this drawer. I took out the pie crust. I shut this door, and I was happy that I had the pie crust. So I did like a little pie crust, yay, dance a little bit. And then, because I couldn't remember if I did have one left over or not. Anyway, I walked in here. Manly said something to me, and I was talking about the pie. So I went over there to help him, and this pie crust has disappeared. Oh, I found it. It's on the table right there. It was camouflage. So now that we found our pie crust, we're gonna get started with this Farmhouse Lemon Meringue Pie. Now I have another lemon meringue pie recipe that I normally make when I make a lemon meringue pie, but I recently got this cookbook from Ollie's, Recipes from the Ranch, and it has a Farmhouse Lemon Meringue Pie in it. And it seems like it's a little easier than the one that I normally make. It doesn't have as many ingredients, so we're gonna give this one a try. First, we have to bake the pie crust, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that ready. All right, so yeah, we do pre-bake the crust for this, so we'll get it in the oven. I'm not gonna cut any extra crust off here. We'll just fold it around a little bit there. Make it rustic since it's a farmhouse recipe anyway. Now, they add yellow food coloring to theirs. I'm gonna skip that part. It says that it's optional. We never add yellow food coloring to lemon meringue or other recipes, so we'll skip that. We're gonna poke a few holes here. Okay. First, we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Jonah and Sissy just finished up with their schoolwork, and they were gonna go outside to play, but it looks like it's about to rain. I don't think it was supposed to, but it sure looks like it. Before we get the lemon juice, we're gonna get some of the lemon peel. We need 2 teaspoons of grated lemon peel. So we'll go ahead and get that off of here, and then we'll get the juice. This is one of the main things I'm noticing that is very different about this recipe is it does not use a lot of lemon stuff. I'm pretty sure for my other one, I definitely need more than 1 lemon. For this one, we just need 1 lemon. Okay. We need 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dump our little lemon peel right here, and we'll melt the butter in this and then add that back in. Okay, so we've got the melted butter. Now we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're just gonna, let's see. We'll squeeze it into this bowl. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's really soft now, the lemon is, since we zested it first, so it's really easy just to squeeze it in here. There we go. Now, I think that's all we need in this bowl. I'll light this up right here. And if you want to put the food coloring, this is where you put that in, but yeah, we're skipping that. In the pot, we're putting 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1 cup of cold water, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, we're gonna turn this on to medium, and we're gonna bring it to a boil. While we're waiting for it to come to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and separate 4 eggs. So we'll put the yolks here and the egg whites over here. I'm taking out the pie crust down here because it is ready. We're just about to come to a boil here. Getting nice and thick. Okay, we're gonna remove this from the heat. We're gonna take just a little bit of it out of the pot here, just about 1/4 of a cup, to mix with our egg yolks to temper them. Now we're gonna add this into the pot, return it to the heat, and it's gonna cook on medium-low for about 3 minutes. You wanna stay right here with it, whisking it, or it will burn on the bottom. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put in the lemon mixture now. The lemon juice, butter, and lemon zest. Get that mixed in, and this is where it starts smelling good. Okay, we're gonna pour this into the pie shell. Okay, so now we make the meringue. So all we're gonna do is beat these egg whites until they're just about ready. Right when they start to form peaks, we're gonna add in a couple of tablespoons of sugar and then mix that in until it forms stiff peaks, and then we're ready to spread it on the pie. Spread this on top. The key to keeping your meringue from shrinking is to make sure that you spread it all the way to the edge of the pie crust. Don't leave any open spots. And sometimes you still get a little shrinkage, but most of the time it'll stay where it's supposed to stay. And this is some mile-high meringue right here. All right, now the decision of what do we want the meringue to look like on top. Do we want the peaks or the waves? I've been liking the wave look lately with any cream topping or meringue topping, so I think we're gonna go with waves. And we'll just go around and do some little swoops like this. There we go. Going in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, just until it browns really good on top. Somebody somewhere is burning leaves, and it's beautiful. It is a beautiful smell. You want to let the chickens out?
Yeah.
You gotta turn it a little bit. You want me to do that part?
No. Yeah, I want help turning it.
Okay, now you got it. Watch out! Do we see any cucumber action? What do you see? Weeds?
I went over here. Speak Miss Turkey like that.
That's how you speak Miss Turkey? Okay, I'll try. Did I do it?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, this pie, it's good, but it is definitely not as tart like I was talking about earlier. My other one, I'm pretty sure I used like 3 lemons. This one only used, you know, not even a whole lemon. I mean, almost, but not even quite a whole lemon. So it's not very tart at all. There's just like a hint of lemon, and it's not overly sweet either. It's a real subtle, soft lemon meringue pie. And the filling is a lot creamier than, it's creamy but thick at the same time. It's not as squishy. What Titus said that the other lemon meringue pie, like the one I make and the one, you know, that everybody's used to seeing, it's more, you know, it's not like Jell-O, but it's more squishy. I don't know how to say. Titus said that everybody likes to squish it, but they don't like to talk about it. What did you say? Between your teeth?
Squish it between their tongue and the roof of their mouth, but it ain't something we go around and talk about.
That's what he said. That's how he explained it. This one is not like that. It's more of a thick, it's creamy, but it's thick. It's like...
It's gooey.
Gooey. It's a more gooey. Now, I actually kind of like it. Now, I still love regular lemon meringue pie, but I kind of like this. Like, I don't hate it. Titus has already made clear he would not request this one again. He would want the regular other lemon meringue pie that we make. So, anyway, that's our review.
Humble.
He said it's very kind. He was so sweet.
Humble now.
Very kind to me, yes. That's our review of the Farmhouse Lemon Meringue Pie.